Hi everyone, this is Geoff from geoffmobile.com, here to do a quick Q&A video about the Instant Vortex Plus 10-quart air fryer oven. So this is a really nice air fryer. Let me show you the picture. It is this one right here, and it sells for 150 US. We have one of these, but when I try to push the buttons on the screen with my fingers, it doesn't recognize my button pushes. I tried pushing soft, I tried pushing hard, tried pushing with different fingers, and it doesn't recognize when I push the button. So if I want to turn on the light, I push the button with my finger and the light doesn't turn on. But the secret is you need to use the squishy part of your thumb to push the buttons. For some reason, the way that the panel works is that if you try to push it with your fingertip, and I have been a pianist and a typist for many years, so the padding on my fingertips is actually quite small. So when I push the buttons, it doesn't recognize it for some reason. But if I use the really squishy part of my thumb, then it does work. So that's the tip for the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer. If you're having trouble with the buttons, try pushing it with the squishy part of your thumb, and you'll notice it is working much better to actually hit the buttons. For any comments or questions, please leave them below. Happy to help with any more problems with this air fryer. It's a great machine other than that. And have a great day and talk to you later. Bye.